We're going to talk briefly about an example of how a hard money loan would be used in a real life context. So there's an investor who's purchasing a property, say for $1 million. And they've gone through the process with their conventional bank. They have provided 2 years of tax returns, 12 months of bank statements, CPA letter, W-2s, 1099s, and the bank has gotten back to them, 1 week before they're supposed to close and said, "I'm sorry, Mr. Investor, but based on all of this income documentation you've provided, we can't provide you a loan, or we can only provide you a loan for 50% of what the property purchase price is based on your income qualifications." And now you're left as an investor scrambling, trying to figure out, how are you going to make up the difference? Well, this is a perfect scenario and a real life case study, which we have helped investors time and time and time again. We would come in as little as 1 to 3 days, and we could lend between 60 to 70% of this particular purchase price. So give the investor a loan for $600,000 to $700,000 and close in as little as 1 to 3 days. How do we do this? Well, the reason why we can do this is, number one, we're lending for a business purpose. So it is exempt from TILA, RESPA, and Dodd-Frank, because our loan is for business purpose and used for an investment property to rent out or to flip on a spec. So we don't have to go through the conventional process that a bank would be required to go through in evaluating your ability to repay the loan using the income documentation. That allows us to cut all the red tape. We can close the transaction in a few days, and we can save, investors anywhere between the $100,000 to say $200,000 that they would have at risk if the bank denied their loan and left their hard deposit up for taking by the seller. So I can honestly say that we've done this, over 100 times in closing transactions where banks or lenders like a Rocket Mortgage had left the borrower at the closing table, and we had to step in and close the transaction for them to save their deposit. And we've done that on check sizes as low as $200,000 all the way up to, around $10 million and transactional size on residential properties. We offer this product as well for commercial properties like multifamily. So it's just a great product offering. If you need speed, you need certainty of close, this is the right product for you.